The Arkansas Department of Health is reporting 874 new COVID-19 cases, bringing the cumulative total to more than 118,000. And today, the Winter COVID-19 Task Force that Governor Hutchinson announced last week will begin having meetings.
Governor Hutchinson hopes this new task force will help reduce cases and ease the burden on hospitals. Fox 16's Mandy Knowles joining us now with a deeper look at the task force.
The governor says at this point hospitals are able to handle the number of COVID patients, but if we continue along this trajectory where we're seeing record numbers, it could put a serious strain on staff and resources. The task force will be led by the governor, Asa Hutchinson, and Arkansas Surgeon General Greg Bledsoe. Other members are from the Department of Health and other hospitals across the state. The group will immediately focus on coordinating the COVID caseload statewide and look at how the state can help with hospital resources.
Hospitals are having to manage both the COVID caseload as well as the regular caseload, and we don't want either one to suffer.
Both Hutchinson and Secretary of Health Jose Romero say the reason the cases keep going up is because people aren't following the mask mandate. The task force will also look at ways to get people to follow those guidelines. It'll be a closed meeting over Zoom starting at 8 a.m. Pat?
All right, thanks, Mandy. The increase in daily COVID-19 cases is causing some businesses to close. East 6th Brewing Company is temporarily closed. It says it couldn't sustain taproom operations in this climate and has concerns over rising COVID-19 cases, colder weather, and talks of a second wave. Cycle Bar in West Little Rock put a stop to its fitness classes until at least December 1st. And 2 Starbucks in North Little Rock are cutting hours and closing certain days of the week.
All this week I've been going, and they either are closed early or they just closed altogether for cleaning. And so I came today and I went to the one on JFK. They were completely closed, and this one said that they closed early. They closed at 2 o'clock.
These changes are listed right now as temporary, but there's no sign of when they'll fully reopen. We reached out to both East 6th and Cycle Bar, but have not heard back.
As businesses shut down, unemployment will rise. President Trump and his staff are starting to push harder to get a coronavirus relief bill approved. Trump says he wants a big bill, but for now, both sides can't agree on an amount. Majority Leader Mitch McConnell hopes for smaller bills, while Speaker Nancy Pelosi hopes for bigger ones. If no agreement can be reached in the next few months, the deal will fall on President-elect Joe Biden's new administration.